I'm replacing a Trane Weathertron thermostat with a Honeywell RTH5160. The Trane thermostat has 7 wires, one of which is a T wire, color appears brown, connection. Also I have an X2, white, connection that jumpers to the W terminal. Both of these show on the RTH label strips but neither appear on the terminal strip.
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
Not an HVAC issue, as everything still works using the old, just can't figure what to do with the T and X2 wires when I install the RTH.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Doing it myself following the RTH instruction booklet.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
The T-wire will be taped off. It went to a thermistor in older units but no longer used. The X2 was your emergency heat wire, so it will go to E.
Makes sense. Also I have both an O and B. Do I terminate both on the same terminal? Thanks.
No, on the old thermostat B was common, so that wire will go to C. On new, O is the reversing valve, so it will go to OB.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.